Hi everyone, this is Jean. I'm going to do a mock interview myself. It's going to be only cover 3 questions, and I'm going to ask myself and answer myself. This is preparing for one of the interviews coming this week for the company I really want to work with. The company name is Tesla, and okay, so the first question is why you want to be a data scientist. This can start from my previous job. I worked with a technical consulting company in oil and gas industry, and whenever there is a consulting project comes in, we start from analyze the client's problem by digging their data. And for example, one project that I worked on is for a gas reservoir field, and the clients give us all their past 10 years production data and a lot of reports in the past years, and also like the well data and some core data and like geology formation data. And what I did is I will go through their data package and do the quality and the quantity checking of each wells and do a Excel table to list out what information is available, what is missing, and sometimes I need to do some data correlate because some information may conflict with each other. So after that, we're going to import the data into our simulator to do further analysis. And after I start to study data science using Python, I just found it's such a powerful tool to analyze big data sets, to do data cleaning and data exploratory and statistic analysis, and also machine learning. And one of the recent projects I worked on is I'm using the public oil and gas data in New Mexico. They record the production and injection data from 1970s until right now for each well in the entire states. And from the basic analysis, I found the linear relationship between production and injection, but some formations do have better efficiency compared to other formations. That means some formations take less water but produce more oil and gas. Some it is not, and those information can be interesting for further research to do comparison and find out the reason, which will be helpful for the future operation in the fields. And also, I took the field incident data and did statistics. I found out that the wellbore tends to have higher probability to cause major accidents, which has more, bigger impact in the water, groundwater, they have larger volume and more severity. And also, since the incident data missing some incident severity information, so I use the known data, like with their features, did a supervise the machine learning study, train a model and tune the parameter and predict the missing data, and which gives a lot of information, which is no way we don't know before, right? Okay, so the second question is why you are interested in the company. I know Tesla, they focus on cutting edge technologies, research and development, applying data science and software engineering to solve problems for the clients, to unlock the values from their data, and especially the application in the oil and gas industry, which is where I come from. it's very interesting to me, and and also I talk with a few workers in your company through LinkedIn, and I'm very interested in their work. I mean, those smart people, right? And also I found some of them, they have similar background as me, coming from the oil and gas industry, worked as an engineer before, and they have successfully transferred to be a data scientist in Tesla. And this is a career path I want to follow in the future too. Okay, so the third question is going to be, tell me a moment you have to deal with a conflict between colleagues. So to deal with a conflict, I mean, we deal with a coworker every day. We work as a team on a project, so there's always some different opinions or different ways to solve a problem. But what I found is communication is the best key to solve those problems and to understand each other. For example, when I was working in my previous work, there's a new project came in. The manager assigned me to work on that. But happily, one of my coworker, he used to work on a similar project, and he just finished it. And the manager wanted me to take a look at his work and apply his work as a reference to solve the new project. So I do use part of his work, but when I apply his work, I modified the calculation method he used, which I think is better to solve the problem. And after that, I did the presentation during the company staff meeting, and everyone is fine, but that coworker just got so mad. I didn't follow his step exactly, when I use his material. And I don't know why he got so mad, right? After the meeting, I have a chance to talk to him, and found out he just got mad because he thought I'm denying all his previous work, and I'm telling that he did wrong in his previous work, so, which I don't mean that at all. And I explained to him that's not what I mean, and I appreciate a lot his previous work, and allow me to use it to apply the new project. And what I did is I just did some updates which fits my problem better, and yeah, that's basically how we solve the problem between us. And yeah, thank you.